Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox and demo my hair steamer. I've had this hair steamer for about 7 months and I cannot live without it. This is a steamer by EZBasics. This steamer costs about $69.99 on Amazon. A link will be in the description box below. Inside the box, the steamer comes in a styrofoam case. This steamer also comes with a facial steamer attachment along with the hair steamer. This steamer is super easy to use and super easy to assemble. I highly recommend it. This is the main part of this steamer. When you open up the flaps, you see the container that holds the water, and the red line shows you the maximum amount of water that you can add. I like to fill it up all the way until the red line, and this steamer usually lasts me about 20 to 25 minutes when I fill it up all the way. Once you filled up the container, I like to add the rest of the attachments, and today I'll be using the hair steamer attachment. Then to turn it on, I switch both of the steam and ionic steam for the water to boil. I wait about 2 to 3 minutes for the water to start boiling, and I'm ready to steam. Hair steaming helps open up your pores. Clogged pores in the scalp slow down and eventually stop the regrowth process. Steaming on a regular basis will allow the toxins from the scalp to be released so that it can be cleansed and purified. It also helps in improving hair elasticity. Steaming treatments allow the hair to absorb so much moisture that the curls will be able to bend and stretch without causing unnecessary breakage. It also enhances curl definition. Moisture infused by steam into the hair strands allows the hair to clump throughout the length of the strands, which enhances the curl pattern. Hair steaming is especially beneficial to those with low porosity hair like me. It's a great way to help water vapor penetrate the strands of the hair for long-lasting moisture. I like to hair steam my hair about twice a month while I'm deep conditioning. And as I'm sitting, I like to move my head around, making sure my entire head of hair catches the steam. Once I'm finished, I rinse and style my hair as usual. And I'm usually left with super bouncy and moisturized curls. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to join the family. Leave any video suggestions in the comments below. I love you guys and thank you so much for watching. Bye!